Ang sikip ng helmet mo.
Hello, hello.
Hello.
Yeah, so today there's no ride today, but instead Pia is gonna go to the grocery to pick up some baking supplies because instead of riding, we will be good, stay inside in quarantine, and we will make some cookies.
Yes.
Using San Miguel Mills crinkle mix. She's gonna take my scooter and ride safe, and from here she'll take over. BB Moto. Oh,
Yay! BB Moto TV. Wow.
BB Moto TV.
Okay, let's do this. Haha.
How's my tires? They look okay. Yeah. The front might be, I don't know. Check mo lang yung front. It looks okay. It looks a little soft, but not flat.
Yay!
Alright, ingat.
Bye.
Keep me posted.
Okay. See you later.
See you later.
Mama.
Mwah.
Oh yeah! I am Aaron for a day. First vlog ni Bibi. Sana pala nagpa-workshop muna ako kay Aaron. Yan, malapit na tayo sa eksaktong lugar kung saan nalaglag ni Aaron yung left side mirror niya.
Press the green button and wait for the car to come out.
Yes! Pati motor, kailangan naka one space apart. Very good Pinoy. Look at our grocery stuff. Ilang taon na kaya yung nagwa-vlog habang nag-grocery sila dahil wala na kaming mag-vlog. Oh my God! nandito na ako pero nakalimutan ko din yung quarantine pass. Anyway, I'm willing to go back. So, let's go back and get the quarantine pass. I really don't know how Aaron does this. Oh my gosh. Wow, kudos to you, babe. Hold on, tight GoPro. Huwag kang malalaglag.
Thank you for parking.
Okay, keep coming. Okay, bye.
Okay.
What's happening?
Guess what?
What?
Guess what we forgot?
The quarantine pass. Iniisip ko if I was gonna hop on your bike to
To give
to
it.
chase you down.
Vlogception.
Yeah.
Ito na yung quarantine pass. Bye-bye. Ay, 2020 talaga. Hindi ko ever ma-imagine before na kailangan mo ng quarantine pass para mag-grocery. Oh, it's running super better. Sarap ng takbo ng team ko. Power! Whee! Oh, favorite kong daan. Kung saan ako aksidente. Yan. Next time, kukwento ko. Huwag magdadrive nang hindi ko makain. Ayun yung lesson of the story. Oh no! Maakbuhan guys! Mukhang mahuhulo na ako ha. Okay lang yan. Sanay naman tayo dyan. Oh my gosh! Hindi pa sila may kapote! Oh no! Whee! Ang lakas ng ulan! What the hell? Kuya? Kuya? May parking ba na sa loob? Okay, let's go. Whee! Oh my God! Smart, smart, smart. Isang basa. Haha, quarantine pass. Okay. See you inside! We're gonna look for baking stuff for the crinkles. Oh my gosh, right here. Haha! Yay! Wonder Bake. And we're here. Oh my gosh. Ang sarap. Ay, thank you Lord, nakalabas. Wow. So, confectioner sugar. Here we go. Magkano ka? Oh no! Masyadong maraming yummy stuff. What else did I need? Wow, ang dami. I don't need this much though. Oh my gosh, cream cheese. Oh no, no, avoid. We're here for the caramel milk. No, I don't think this is it. The lines are so long, and I don't want to be exposed to super long amounts of time. Yeah, let's just go with the crinkles, I guess.
We've ordered baking pans from Lazada, especially to do this vlog. To bake. Yeah, so this is what we're working with here. San Miguel Mills Mix and Bake Crinkle Mix. Looks simple enough, right? You will see. Wala pa kaming baking sheet.
That's how we're gonna do it. This mix can make, according to this pack, 120 crinkles.
Which is
So,
far too much for the people.
a lot.
You did it!
I did it! Yay!
We finally have everything.
I know, we have everything.
Good job, BB Moto. BB Koto. Ninja.
So this is what we're using. The San Miguel Mills crinkle mix for the base of the cookie. We're just gonna add the powdered sugar after to roll it in, and for non-crinkle stuff, we're gonna make cookies with marshmallows, dark chocolate, and cacao nibs.
Alright.
OMG, there's so much. Comment below if you want one.
Yan. Teka, tanggal yung sampayan sa likod. Tatanggalin.
Okay. Yes, obviously a great chef.
Ang bango, oh my god.
I know. He used to be slow and steady and not make the dough angry. Get out. I think that's enough for crinkles.
So we decided to switch to the 77% dark chocolate since this is already going to be sweet.
Yun.
Over here we have the crinkles, and here's like the experiment tray where we're going to try to put the other ingredients, right?
This small. Let's put it here. Another one
Wow.
here. Let's go in. This part because we have marshmallows still.
Them's beautiful cookies. Well, we will see once they're baked. Woohoo!
Marshmallows don't burn. I hope they don't burn.
Some cacao nibs for me.
Do you want the chocolate also with the cacao nibs? Or-
No, make that straight up dark.
Come on, little crinkle friends. Come.
Well, these aren't crinkles, these are just cookies with the crinkle mix.
Let's check it out. Oh no, the crinkles are they're so big.
The crinkles are monstrous. Like, they look like mutants.
They're not yet done.
But they're not yet done. But look at these bottom
Oh
ones.
my god.
These bottom ones look very... I think it's because they're on top, but these bottom ones look nice. Cute.
More time. We need more time.
Yeah.
Let's check one more time. So now we know not to put them too close to each other. Social distancing is key. Oh, they're getting bigger. Why are they getting bigger?
Inflation. Grabe na talaga ang inflation ngayon. Okay, so guys, take note, we've never done this before.
We've never done this before.
We're just like flying by the seat of our pants. Now we're gonna take the cookies out. Let's hope they're not overcooked.
Or undercooked. Please be nice to us.
Oh.
So much.
There, careful, baka tumaob. Yay!
Having so much anxiety.
Super bahala na. So, we're not judging for aesthetics here, guys, ha? Like, lasa lang.
First timers lang kami.
First timers. The question now is, will our cookies harden or are they doomed to be undercooked mush? Poor marshmallow.
Oh. Let's get off. Stay there.
Time to pry out our mutant crinkles.
Huge.
Remember, guys, don't judge by the appearance. Judge by the taste. Which we don't know yet.
Mistake number 1 is not making it evenly. Size. Anyway.
Okay, don't judge us. We're doing this for your entertainment. Let's say they're not undercooked. Let's say they're
Stop
just
rolling. Joke lang.
let's say they're just soft and chewy.
Soft and chewy.
Yeah. Undercooked. I mean,
Soft and chewy.
okay, time to try.
The small one.
Yeah.
Hey, you. Are you okay?
Hopefully it's less unsuccessful.
I mean,
Oh, how's the inside?
it's been like the marshmallow is cooled down, but like that looks pretty good actually.
Marshy. Mallow. Hey, not a complete failure.
Oh, to be fair.
Let's try this cacao nibs one. Are these cacao nibs super old or what? Looks cute though.
So they look like this. Essentially the same thing.
Just with sugar.
Not bad.
Crinkle time. Yeah. It's just like a nice and mild, proper, chewy crinkle.
They're the chewy but light
Yeah.
type.
Yeah. Like I would say like the platonic idea for the dense type is the ADB crinkle. Chewy and super just like filling.
This
Okay.
one's very light.
Okay, babe, I think it's time to bring out the milk.
It's time to bring out the milk.
And now, we're going to try the crinkles with two different kinds of milk. Chocolate gatas ng kalabaw. And this
It's from Laguna.
Laguna, imported from Laguna because, wow, look at how thick that is. Let's try it. Lord, look at that. What are we, 12 years old?
You can already see the difference of
Yeah.
consistency in the two milk.
Sugar on sugar. Milky cookies. Definitely better with this.
Not a bad job. I mean, there are like places where we could have done better, like
Yeah.
less water,
Aesthetics, yeah.
the oven thing, because we didn't know how to use the oven.
As far as crinkles go, these are definitely not the worst I've ever had. Good job, San Miguel Mills. You made it bubble proof
Yeah.
because we did it. Eating like 6-year-olds. My stomach is gonna hate me. Alright, guys. Hope you enjoyed our fail, but in the end, not fail attempt to make crinkles. What? Oh my god.
They look so real, no?
Yeah, taste test. Go.
I tasted it now, but
Put for the camera.
so much better.
I can't believe it. Look. Look.
Dude,
Okay,
those are like the best
let's
ones.
try the marshmallow ones.
But some of these, I put auro inside, just auro.
Yeah.
And then some of them have auro and almonds. And then some of them have like this. Like this, they have marshmallows inside and outside.
Oh my
And
god.
auro.
Okay, pick one for me to try.
Because we don't want it to consume a lot of sugar. Yuck, did we just do that?
Legit. ADB, we're coming for you. Just the crinkles, not the actual Asian Development Bank institution. Of course, one of the main reasons she did it so well and so quickly is because I wasn't in the way shooting or in the way at all since I was upstairs. So yes, man, know your role and shut your mouth, cause you know who said so. I think only people my age will get that reference. If you did, leave a comment that you got the reference and tell me who said so. Like yesterday they already tasted great, but now they look legit. Wish I could give this away to you guys, but by the time you watch this, they will all have been given away. Or given away to our stomachs.
Sugar responsibly.
Let's see. So much hair. You know what? It's got a nice balance between chewiness and chunkiness now. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Our chocolates, I love you.
Baka naman.
Baka naman. Baka naman. PS Crinkles version 2.0. Sugar went into my windpipe. So, kita ba side boob ko? I hope not. Why are you still watching? I'm just eating. Frankly, San Miguel Mills mix and bake crinkle mix is very not hard to do because Pia got it on her second try. And there's like marshmallow bits on the tips of my hair.
Your hair's everywhere.
I know, screaming infidelities. Okay guys, show's over.
Do the thing, the vlog thing.